The Civic Leaders Program is a co-curricular type program. We developed this program to be a mesh between leadership and civic engagement. So students were able to participate in trainings through the summer of 2024. Students then moved on to be trained by DuPage County to be election judges in the community, and then they served as poll workers during the November 2024 election.
The idea was to incentivize and help students engage in democracy at the local level. There is always a need for poll workers. It's often hard to get younger people. And having some kind of training would allow students to kind of feel more confident when they go in on the day of. So this grant gave a comprehensive support to students who wanted to do this work.
I joined because I like politics. I like knowing more how the government works. How does my vote actually count? And as the training goes, they show you how you can actually see if it's the same signature, the same name, the address. If anything needs to change, they have to show proof. It's a very safe system, and it's amazing how citizens like us are emplacing that to the community, that we are having your vote count.
I got involved because I felt like I needed to do something out of my comfort zone. And I live in the community, so I want to give back to the community.
Civic responsibility is something that's always been in my mind, kind of getting involved. And I like learning about the election process, and especially because I've never voted prior to being an election judge, it was kind of interesting trying to learn how it works like that, getting the behind the scenes almost, and learning how to work the polls, getting all that insight.
They did a lot of activities where they got to know one another. They also were asked to help recruit other students and to tell other students about it and get people excited about the election and excited about voting.
For me, I was lucky enough to just do classroom announcements. So I would stand up in front of my class in the beginning, and I would just let people know that this is the program that's going on. We would love for you to join, letting students know that they should vote, they should be part of the election judge.
We tabled, so we were next to the ice cream truck, and we were like, hey guys, do you have a plan to vote? And we enticed them with the fact that if you are looking to become an election judge, you actually earn $250 for just one day. And then you just eventually led up, do you have a plan to vote? Are you registered? Why or why not? Do you want to learn more?
When I was checking people in, they were thanking me for volunteering. And I think that was the most fulfilling part of it. When strangers were saying, you know what, thank you for giving up your day, thank you for doing this for us.
It was pretty empowering kind of sitting there, like especially as a younger person, and especially like seeing how many people showed up to vote. It's very powerful because, you know, everybody is here working towards the same cause. Civically, it made me feel very powerful.
They made me feel welcome. It's like half and half Republicans, half Democrats. We actually did so well. It's just all about teamwork.
I hope students learned our democracy only works because ordinary people like us step up to the plate to serve in our communities. And I hope that they continue to do that, to take that first step, whatever that might be, for their future growth. And knowing that when we serve our communities, we all benefit.